Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna take a look at Wondershare FILMORA, the 11th version that I bought here, because I've been asked what would be the best video editor for a YouTuber that doesn't really go into too technical or that you have to be a genius to work with. Well, let me show you why and what makes FILMORA one of the best video editors, at least in my opinion. First, let's say I'm not going to add any video. I'm just going to give you a few features and the ease of use of this software. Let's go to stock media. Pexels.com, for example, is a source that provides copyright-free content, whether it's videos or photos. FILMORA has it integrated on the system. Let's say you're making a video and you need a quick clip. You don't need to go download it from Pexels. Not that I suggest you not to. Pexels is a great platform, but here in FILMORA it's integrated already. Let's say you want to search for walking, and just like that, you have so many clips of people walking. And let's double click on this one. You'll download it on HD and you just grab it and drop it on the timeline. I would leave it 23.9. That's kind of the human eye. And as you see right here, it works flawless. That's the clip we just got. And now from walking, let's say you're narrating something from walking to streets. Right? Street. And here goes let's say a street. As you see, I don't think any platform can make it easier than this here. And you go to transitions that it just suggested us. You can go right here on the side, right as you see here, and you can get any of the transitions you want. Let me pick this one, beam transition. As you see, you place it on the middle of them, and let's see how that looks. You click OK, and that was a very beautiful transition. And you have many more here. You can go to 3D, then you have other transitions here you can download, slideshow style, and many more. How about audio? Because most people suffer for, especially on YouTube, for non-copyright audio. Well, if you buy FILMORA, you actually have the rights to use all these audio files on your videos, and you will not be copyrighted. As you see right here, let's say I want to get this Blue City Lights, whatever that is, and it starts playing for a background music. Sounds pretty good, right? We take it, put it on the timeline, and if we had sound on these clips, for example, you double click this clip, you go to, if you had audio, let me find something with audio. And right here we have the video that I was just recording for you guys, right? And let's say I want to place this video next to these here. I'm not going to bother with the transition, but here I have me talking, but it's me and the music going on. How do I change that? First of all, let's go to the audio. I always like to bounce it at around 2.5 decibels. You click OK for now, right? And let me play it. As you see, you can hear nothing, right? Double click on the video and you click here. Lower the volume of other clips by 50%. We're gonna leave it. We click OK. And now let me play it for you. As you see, the background clip just lowered by itself. And if we have any pause on the clip, on the video, let me push it here, for example, where it ends, right here. As you see, it goes up by itself now. Look, at the end, for example, when my clip ends, it goes up automatically. And let me show you another thing that FILMORA has that I'm yet to find this easy, at least, and this accessible on other video editors. Let's go to titles. You know, with all other major names that I'm not gonna say here, to do all these graphics, you have to download from third parties and redo and all that. And let's say you want to do a quick intro for your video. Well, you double click this one, you download it. It's already a preset, right? This graphic, you plug it right here, as you see right here. Let's play how it looks. Looks really beautiful. Double click on it, and let's say Omnitech. Let me put here Omnitech videos. Welcome to. Okay, welcome to Omnitech videos or Omnitech Just Omnitech, we're gonna leave it. Click OK. It looks pretty good. Let's center this one right here, because welcome has to be the main focus here, since I'm welcoming. And now, let's try to find an audio file, and let's go to sound effects right here, and you can try to find whatever you like. In here, I'm gonna look for a drop or intro, let's say intro, if they have any. Right here, futuristic intro. That's not bad. Here, let's put this one. Sounds like news, but that's what I'm gonna try this one. These are separate files that you have to be an subscriber for more stuff on this one, unfortunately, but that's what it is. And let's plug in a transition on the very beginning just to see how it's gonna look really quick. Ripple and dissolve. Let's do cinematic. Let's find a nice cinematic opening that fits our color. That our color is blue. Okay, it's downloading content. I'm just gonna try it for now because I'm not going to pay more than I already did right here. And let's put a closing with some fire. Why not, right? We're here. And it's closing with fire. We're gonna try it. We're gonna close it up there. And let's put the audio just to the fire right here. And let's see how our intro looks for now. It looks pretty good. And as you see, we did it without actually going to another website, without having anything on our media except the clip that I showed you for a quick beginning. And as you see, if you hover the mouse over the clips that you have here, it starts playing it, just like it would do in Final Cut Pro or something else. As you see, right here, you can preview the clip in the frame. And what else you have here? Elements. Those are actually a lot of fun. A lot of fun. You ever wonder how do streamers make these elements, especially in backgrounds that look just like this one, as you see right here? And let's say I want to add my logo on the middle of this one here and make it a loop. Let's delete these other ones and let's put it on the beginning. And let me get one of my own logos. And here's the Omnitech logo. I'm gonna go put it right over the clip. And let me zoom in and make sure these two clips are identically long. Let me lower my own clip right here. Let me put it around the middle. I'm not gonna try to make it too fancy. Oh, right on the middle is there. And now let me add some fancy effect to my own logo. Let me put an RGB stroke, probably would be just good enough. Let me give it a sign here, as you see right here. And now, as it is right now, because this is a loop clip at the end, let's export it. And yes, we might have premium elements here. Test logo loop. And we're gonna just save it on our desktop for now, so we don't lose it. Click export, and it was quite quick. And now let's play that video that we just made, the loop. And as you see, here's the video we just made, and you can use this as a background. We can do repeat forever, and you put it on the background of a stream, of video, whatever you want to do with it. And as you see, it's purely flawless. And we did it without the help of the internet exactly. And you can play with it so much and so many more things that FILMORA has to offer. You can do split screen for multi-videos. It has a lot of amazing split screen schemes right here. You have this one right here. I'm not gonna go in depth with that one because that's too easy. And it has beautiful titles that we just saw here. You can put all kinds of titles you like on your YouTube video. And by the way, no, this video is not sponsored by FILMORA, even though I wouldn't oppose it. I would love it because I really like their software. That's why I bought it. But it's a beautiful software. And you see here, let's say we want to do this intro, right? Right here. I'm just going to try it for now because I'm not going to purchase because I'm a cheapskate. And let's put here Omnitech Media, right? It's easy, right? And let's give it a start and let's hit, as you see right here, the opening. Boom, you have a very beautiful title put here. You can move this a little closer, get it a little bit bigger. You can go grab a piece of music here because the audio is actually copyright free. Go to cinematic and let's see. Okay, this one sounds pretty good. Let's try it. We cut just a little bit. Let's see where our name starts. Our name starts right here. So right here, I'm going to put a quick marker. As you see, here's the bookmark or marker at this point. And as we see, our audio starts rising right around here. So I'm going to put the audio just a little bit towards the side. Let me go back in. Here. And now, let's start the clip and see what we just did. If it makes any sense. It looks good to me, and we did it with all that's inside FILMORA. We didn't really get anything special or extra. Boom. That's a beautiful intro. You can't say this is not a beautiful intro. It's actually better than the intros that I use most of the time. Anyway, that's all I had to say for today. It is not cheap, and no, I'm not affiliated, nor am I sponsored. I'm just showing it to you that it's a beautiful piece of software for video editing. The prices are, as you see right here, for now. They vary sometimes, they change. You can have the $20.99 a month and $49.99. It can go on and on and on. And you can do teams, educational, bundles, and you can get it for Mac as well. So this is FILMORA for you guys. It is a very beautiful piece of software for a YouTuber, in my opinion. If you're not a, Peter McKinnon or somebody that's on a higher echelon, you will be just perfect with FILMORA. And with that said, I hope this video helped you decide or take a different view on a piece of software for video editing. And if you like this video, please, it would help me a lot if you subscribe, like, and click that bell, or share it with others if you think that might help someone. With that said, bye!